important vitamin B12, also called as cobalamin. What are the important function of vitamin B12? It is a cofactor for methionine synthesis. That is why synthesis of myelin sheath is very important because of vitamin B12 only. If there is deficiency of vitamin B12, we start having neurological symptoms. Okay, important for DNA synthesis as well. If there is deficiency of vitamin B12, there will be macrocytic megaloblastic anemia. If you look in the CBC report, you will get hypersegmented polymorphonucleoside. So they will have hypersegmented. Paresthesia will be there. Subacute combined degeneration can be there because of degeneration. It is also associated with increase in the homocysteine level and methyl malonic acid with secondary folate deficiency. And if B12 deficiency is prolonged, it will cause irreversible nerve damage. Irreversible nerve damage if it is prolonged. Clear? So these are the function of vitamin B12 and these are the clinical features which we can get if there is megaloblastic anemia. But you cannot say pernicious. You cannot say this is a pernicious. Pernicious anemia, don't get confused with the word pernicious anemia with the megaloblastic anemia. Pernicious anemia is when it is an autoimmune disorder. Whenever antibodies are against parietal cell. If antibodies are against parietal cells, only then there is deficiency of intrinsic factor of Castle. Only then there is deficiency of intrinsic factor of Castle, and then you will say it is a pernicious anemia. In this condition, gastrectomy is done. It is a surgical removal. So you cannot use the word pernicious. You can use the word megaloblastic anemia. The same thing will be there. There is deficiency of intrinsic factor of Castle. Even then, we cannot say it is a pernicious anemia.